Let learning be a joy and teaching be a pleasure. Welcome children to online teaching 2020-2021. Today we are going to study about the chapter Introduction to Acid and Base. Now, water acids, compounds imparting sour taste, are called acids. Acids are soluble in water and they are corrosive in nature. Acids present in the foodstuffs are called as natural acids, and these acids are basically weak in nature. There are some acids which are strong in nature, for example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and nitric acid. Now coming to base, substances having astringent and bitter taste and slippery to touch are called the bases. For example, lime water, baking soda, caustic soda. Now coming to indicators, substances which are neither acidic nor basic and are chemically inert in nature, and the substances which change their color in presence of acid or base are called as indicators. Different indicators. Litmus paper is mainly used to test alkali or base. This paper is red or blue in color. Blue litmus changes to red on dipping in the acid, and red litmus changes to blue by dipping in alkali. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, and methyl red are used in the solution form, and methyl orange becomes pink in acid and yellow in alkali. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acid and becomes pink in alkali. Acids. Acids is such a substance which gives hydrogen positive ions in solution state. HCl dissociates in water solution to give hydrogen ion and chloride ion. Examples: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. For example, HCl is breaking down into H positive and Cl negative ion. Coming to the properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. Acid molecules contain hydrogen ion as the main constituent. Acid reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. Blue litmus turns red in acid. Acid reacts with the carbonates and liberates carbon dioxide. Uses of acids. Acids are used in the production of the chemical fertilizers. Acids are generally used in the production of the explosives, medicines, dyes, and the paints. Hydrochloric acid is used in the preparation of different types of the chloride salts. Dilute sulfuric acid is used in batteries, and dilute HCl is used in sterilization of the water, and acid is used in making of the white paper from the wood pulp. Generally, the mineral acids are harmful to the body. Deoxyribonucleic acid decides the hereditary property. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and fats are formed by the fatty acids. Base or alkali. Alkali is a substance whose water solution gives hydroxide ion. Sodium hydroxide dissociates to form sodium ion and hydroxide ion. NaOH dissociates into Na positive and OH negative ion. Properties of the alkalis. The alkalis are bitter to taste. They are slippery. Alkali contains hydroxide as the main constituent. Metal oxides are alkaline in nature. Neutralization. Acid contains hydrogen ions and alkali contains hydroxide ions. Acid and alkali combines to form salt and water. And this process is called as neutralization. Thank you.